Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here two affordable smartwatches in the market. Okay, these are all Watch Ultra clone smartwatch. So we are going to compare the affordable, cheap, okay, when it comes to price, the i9 Ultra Max Smartwatch, and the other one with the a mid-range when it comes to price, and it has a lot of free straps, the 7-in-1, okay, Ultra Clone Smartwatch, okay, marketed also as Y20 Smartwatch. Okay, so we are going to check on this. We are going to compare the different features of the wearable as well as the contents. So if you have any questions regarding the video comparison of these smartwatches, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start with the i9 Ultra Max Smartwatch. Okay, a very affordable smartwatch, still a 49mm smartwatch. So the contents are the user manual. We have here the smartwatch and the charging cable. As you can see here, it's not magnetic, but still it is using the USB connector or port to charge the wearable. Okay, while for the 7-in-1 Watch Ultra clone, we have again a 49mm body frame, okay, that is much heavier and with a much thicker frame, and we have at least 7 straps free for your smartwatch. It is a wireless charging smartwatch, as you can see here, and here at the back we have real screws as well as we have a watch strap lock, and of course it features the different straps available for your smartwatch. Okay, so again, let's check on the design and let's have a comparison with a look. Okay, let's turn this on. So both do have a 49mm, but it seems like the 7-in-1 do have a much wider body frame. Okay, on length it's just the same, as you can see here. Okay, the same body frame, but when it comes to the width, I think the 7-in-1 do have a much wider body. Okay, and with a much better graphics. Side by side, as you can see, slim for the i9 Ultra Max, bigger and much closer to the original when it comes to the 7-in-1. Okay, on the other side we have it here. The back, this one is much more better. It looks legit. Okay, for the UI, okay, I think it is running the same UI. Okay, as you can see here. On top, we have the notification. On the bottom part, we have the quick settings. So similar icons here and similar features. Okay, on the other side, on the right side, we have a different UI or the same UI. Okay, on the menus, let's see. So I think it's just the same UI here, the same operating system. Okay, but with a much better hardware for the 7-in-1 and much better design, I think. Okay, for the sports, let's see. Okay, practically the same icons here, as you can see. The same number of sports function. WhatsApp application, camera, blood pressure, music, weather, the same layout. Okay, the same position of the features. Calculator, let's see for the calculator, the same. Calendar, menu style, how many menu style do we have? 5, 6. We have 6 menu style, the same. Message, stopwatch, QR code, more. Okay, so the same, just different model, I think. Watch LJ736, the same model as you can see here. Okay, Ultra 8 version 15676. This one is 4086, but I think it is just the same UI. Oh, we have here password settings. This one don't have a password settings for the i7 or i9 Ultra. There's no password. This one, it has a password, as you can see here. Okay, so I guess that's the difference. And we have a bed lamp. Yes, we also have a bed lamp. We have a screensaver. Yes, we do have backlight brightness. We do have here. On the other one, on the i7, we don't have a backlight brightness, but we do have a password settings. Okay, so I'm surprised it's just the same. Let's see for the UI of the blood pressure. Okay, the same operating system, I think. Okay, so that's it for the menus and features comparison. As you can see, there's nothing to compare. It's just the same smartwatch. I think just different hardware maybe, and different body frame. This one, it looks much premium compared to the i9 Ultra Max Smartwatch, but when it comes to features offering, these are all the same smartwatches, or the same operating system, the same UI and icons. Okay, so I guess I already answered your questions, whether what's the difference of the i9 Ultra Max when it comes to features with our 7-in-1 strap, as well as the 12 plus 1, just the same also, if you watch our previous video. Okay, so that's it for our comparison review of the i9 Ultra Max Smartwatch with the Ultra 7-in-1 strap. Okay, if you have any questions, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.